Traveling internationally can quickly become expensive, especially when it comes to managing your money overseas. One of the best ways to save on currency conversion fees and unexpected charges is by using the YouTrip card. This card allows you to spend in multiple currencies without paying high bank fees, and it's perfect for travelers who want to keep control over their spending while maximizing value. When using YouTrip, the trick is to preload your card in US dollars or the currency you expect to spend the most. This allows you to lock in a favorable exchange rate before your trip, avoiding the hidden fees that banks and other card providers often charge. Spending directly from your YouTrip balance ensures that every dollar you load is used efficiently, rather than losing value through multiple conversions. Another key part of this trick is to monitor the YouTrip app for real-time exchange rates. The app lets you see exactly how much you're spending in your home currency, so you can adjust your spending if needed. By keeping track of transactions immediately, you prevent surprises and maintain a strict travel budget. Using YouTrip for everyday purchases abroad, such as meals, transportation, and attractions, also reduces the need to carry large amounts of cash. This increases safety while making it easier to stick to your planned budget. The YouTrip travel spending trick is straightforward but powerful. Preload your card in the right currency, use it for all your transactions, and monitor spending through the app. This method can save hundreds of dollars per trip, reduce stress, and make your travel experience smoother. By taking advantage of the card's features and staying vigilant with spending, you maximize every dollar and turn smart financial planning into one of the easiest parts of your travel routine.